What's this? Oh, it's another one. Purchased 2016. 9 years old that is then. Fault, blank screen and tripped breaker. Bridge rectifier, most probably. Open her up. Looks like the fuse has been changed at some point. Because that's like been soldered. I don't know whether the bridge rectifier has been done and stuff. Because as I say, I don't know whether this is just because it's been getting hot. Or that is actually been soldered. But we'll do some testing. So crazily enough, the fuse hasn't blown. Either that or they've replaced the fuse and it's like not done anything. It certainly looks like it's been changed. Just have noticed there must be a different, slightly different revision as well. Because that diode is usually that way, not sideways. So I'm getting weird readings on the diode pack thing and the bridge rectifier. I'm going to guess it's the bridge rectifier, so we'll take it off and then we'll see if the readings on that go back to normal, because that looks like the ropey thing out of it all. There we go. That is all changed now. 10:30 at night now, so I'm going to leave this reassembling until tomorrow, but I've just tested it all and everything's how it should be, so it should be all good. There we go. We are on. Okay, job done. Another one to send back. If you've got one, just send it in and we'll get it sorted.